So what's up mga kapre? This is an instructional vlog. This is an instructional vlog which talks about proper dose in engine watchkeeping. So let's go!
So, good morning cadets and future engineers, and today I will teach you what are the proper ways in order to proper engine room watchkeeping. So, engineers in charge of engineering watch shall particular pay attention to: first, observe all the orders and special ordering procedures and regulations concerning hazardous conditions and their preventions in all areas in their charge. Number 2, instrument and control system monitoring of all power supplies, components, and system in operation. Next, and the techniques, methods, and procedures necessary to prevent violation of the pollution regulations of the local authorities and the state of the villages. So, future engineers who are the next engineers come in charge during the engine watchkeeping. In emergencies, raise the alarm in their opinion. The situation so demands and take all the possible measures to prevent damage to the ship, persons on boards, and cargo. Be aware of the deck officers' needs relating to the equipment required in the loading or unloading of the cargo, and the additional requirement of the ballast and the other ship stability control system. Next is make frequent rounds of inspection to determine possible equipment malfunction or failure and take immediate remedial action to ensure the safety of the ship, of cargo operations, of the port, and the environment. Next is ensure that necessary precautions are taken within their area of responsibility to prevent the accident of damage to the various electrical, electronic, hydraulic, pneumatic, and mechanical systems of the ship, and ensure that all important events affecting the operations, adjustment, or repair of the ship's machinery are satisfactorily recorded. So, the officer in charge of the engineering watch shall notify the chief engineer without delay. So, when the engine damage or a malfunction occurs, which may be such endanger safe operation of the ship, when any malfunctions occur, it is believed many cause damage or breakdown of propulsion machinery, auxiliary machinery, or monitoring governing system. And thank you, future cadets.
So, good morning guys, I am Engine Cadet Nambata and my topic is all about proper engine room round prior taking over watch. So, I know some of you don't have any backgrounds about this, so I'll give you some introduction of my topic. So, the number 56 and 57 means that every engineer that is going to be the engine watchkeeper, he or she must be capable of everything because there are lots of things that you need to check, especially the tanks. So these are the types of tanks that you need to check. So, as an engine watchkeeper, you should always check the water levels of the tank and also if there are leaks on it, because this can cause an accident for us, engine watchkeeper. So, as an engine watchkeeper, there are lots of accidents might happen to you while you are on duty. So, to avoid those accidents, you need to wear your safety gears like your coverall. You should always close your neck like this. And then, second is the gloves. You should wearing this. And last is your steel toe. You should wear steel toe to avoid accidents. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Peace.
Proper handing over a watch. Handing over of the watch should be carried out according to the instructions provided by the chief engineer and company standing orders. It should be done in such a way that the watchkeeping becomes smoother and continuation of any kind of work is not affected on the ship. Practically, it is impossible for any relieving engineer officer to check all the valves, pipelines, machinery, and controller in the engine room while taking over the watch. It is therefore necessary that the right information is passed to the relieving engineer officer by the relief officer so that there are no surprises during the watch and one can concentrate on more demanding and important job. So, to understand more about my topic, I'm gonna show you. These are the following things need to be informed to the relieving officer. Special orders related to any ship operation, control system, or maintenance work. Standing orders from the chief engineer or the company. Level of important tanks such as bilges, ballast tanks, sewage tank, reserve tank, slap tank, fuel tank, or any other tank which requires attention. Condition and state of fire extinguishing equipment and systems in case any specific section or fire alarm has been isolated. Special mode of operation in case of emergency situation, damage, icy, or shallow water. In case there is any kind of maintenance work being carried out in the engine room by the other engineer officer and crew members, then their work location, details of machinery under a maintenance, and information of authorized person and crew members should be provided. Any potential hazard because of the ongoing maintenance work should also be informed. In case there is an equipment failure, details of the same should be informed. All the checks already made when the ship leaves the port should be noted. In case any check is pending, it should be conveyed to the relieving officer. All the checks that are made when the ship enters the port should be noted and informed in case any is missing. Condition and important information regarding mode of operation of main engine, boiler, and auxiliary engine should be informed. In case an equipment needs to be monitored manually, details of the same should be provided, along with the condition of monitoring and control equipment. Any form of adverse ship conditions need to be informed. Information on the condition of modes of all important auxiliary machinery such as purifiers, freshwater generator, oily water separator, pumps, sewage treatment plant should be provided.
Here's the tips of proper maintenance of engine logbook. So, step number 1, date and voyage where the ship is heading. So, you must record all the duties and responsibilities on board in order our ship will run smoothly. So, number 2, the position of the ship at the port of anchor. So, the purpose of this ship is securely be waiting as port as well taking cargoes or passengers. So, number 3, reading the parameters of main pollution of engine. So for me, it is important to record all the machineries and parameters to maintain and malfunction in order to be safe. So number 4, reading the parameters of auxiliary engine generators. For me, it is important to us to read the parameters in order to be safe. Our ship will run smoothly in good condition. So number 5, reading the parameters and other running machineries. So it's important to read and follow the instruction in order to avoid accident and any other troubles. That's all. Thank you.